Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be unboxing and taking our first look at the new mobile G3 Plus in their new black onyx color. Now, this is a budget device that you can get for around $230 on Amazon, and I will throw that link down in the description below just in case you find yourself interested. Now, looking at the box, we see a picture of the device looking nice and shiny with the G3 Plus name. Then on the back of the box, we see the name, the color, the specs, and what is included in the box. Now for the specs, we got a 5.7-inch HD Plus IPS display, a rear dual camera setup with a 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel camera, a 13 megapixel front-facing camera, dual SIM, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 64 gigabytes of internal storage with a nice big 4,000 milliamp battery. So let's open up the box and see what we got inside. Alright, so once we got the box open, the first thing we see is the phone wrapped in plastic and a nice thank you card with stickers from New Mobile for choosing their device. But let's set this aside for now and see what else we got in the box. So we got a user manual, which we can just chuck to the side, and then it actually comes with a case. Now, it's just a regular clear case, but it's nice that they still include one in the box, and honestly, I wish every phone manufacturer would do this. Now, other things in the box are the charging brick, we got a USB Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a dongle because no, there is no headphone jack. So let's take a look at the phone itself in its new black onyx color. Okay, so once we got it pulled out of the plastic, we got a sticker on top of the screen giving us some more specs. It is 4G LTE ready. So we'll go ahead and peel this off. And wow, the screen actually looks really nice so far. Then we turn it to the back and we got another sticker showing that you have a dual SIM option or an option to throw in a micro SD card, which is actually pretty cool. So let's go ahead and peel this off, and wow, no lie, this actually looks really nice. Look at the way it shines. If you were to tell me this is a $230 phone, I would not believe you. This is absolutely beautiful, and it doesn't feel cheap either. It's got a nice weight to it. So obviously in the back we got the fingerprint sensor and a dual camera setup with the flash. Then on the front is the earpiece, front camera, a flash, and some sensors. Then on the right side is the volume rockers and power button. Nothing on the left side. Then on the bottom is the charging port, speaker, and microphone. And then on the top is the micro SD card slot. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see what we got going on inside. Alright, so I got it all set up and ready to go, and the display actually doesn't look that bad. Now, of course, it's not going to be as sharp and bright as the high-end devices out there right now, but you gotta remember, $230, just keep that in mind, $230. Now check out the speed on this fingerprint reader. It's actually pretty fast with no lag at all. It's pretty amazing. And just using the phone itself is pretty much a stock Android experience and runs pretty smoothly. But overall, so far, first impressions, I'm actually really impressed at what $230 is getting you with this device. But of course, I'll have to do a full review and use the phone more to see how good it really is for $230. But you guys let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. What do you think so far, especially with this new black onyx color for this device? I think it's absolutely beautiful. Leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. You guys, that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.